Every human being harbors an ocean of untapped potential within themselves. Imagine the deepest, most vast ocean, teeming with life and brimming with hidden treasures. That's what human potential is like. It's an enormous, unexplored realm, filled to the brim with skills and talents waiting to be discovered, honed, and unleashed. Too often, this ocean remains uncharted, its treasures untouched. We get caught in the currents of life, swept along by the tides of routine and complacency. Our potential lies dormant, buried beneath layers of self-doubt, fear, and uncertainty. But it's there, waiting for us to dive in and unearth it. Unleashing your potential is not just about achieving outward success. It's about tapping into your inner resources, discovering what truly drives you, and stepping into the person you were born to be. It's about breaking free from the shackles of limitation and embracing the boundless possibilities that lie within you. This journey is not for the faint of heart. It requires courage, determination, and relentless perseverance. You'll encounter challenges and obstacles along the way. There will be times when you'll want to turn back, when the waters seem too deep, the journey too arduous. But remember, the deeper you dive, the more treasures you'll find. So how do you embark on this journey? How do you navigate the vast ocean of your potential? The first step is to recognize that you have this ocean within you. To acknowledge that you are more than what you currently are, that you have within you the power to be, do, and achieve more. Next, you need a map, a guide to help you navigate the ocean of your potential. This guide comes in the form of self-awareness. By understanding who you are, what drives you, and what your strengths and weaknesses are, you can chart a course towards unlocking your full potential. So, are you ready to dive in? Are you ready to embark on the journey of a lifetime? The journey to unlocking your full potential begins with a single step: self-awareness. Self-awareness and self-assessment are the keys to unlocking the door of your potential. These two elements are the compass that guides you on your journey to becoming the best version of yourself. Without a deep understanding of who you are, it's like trying to navigate through a dense forest without a map. You may stumble around, but it's unlikely you'll reach your true destination. Now you may be thinking, how do I cultivate self-awareness and conduct self-assessment? Well, it's a process that requires honesty, introspection, and a willingness to face your strengths and weaknesses head-on. Imagine you're peering into a mirror, but instead of reflecting your physical appearance, it reveals your character, skills, values, habits, and emotions. That's what self-awareness is all about. It's about seeing yourself clearly and objectively through reflection and introspection. What about self-assessment? This is where you evaluate your abilities and interests, identify your goals, and understand how you can improve. It's about taking that mirror reflection and really analyzing it. Now let's talk about some practical steps you can take to enhance your self-awareness and self-assessment. One effective method is to keep a journal. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Over time, you'll start to see patterns and understand more about yourself. Another strategy is to seek feedback from others. This can be from trusted friends, mentors, or even professional coaches. They can provide a different perspective and help you see things you might have missed. Lastly, practice mindfulness. This can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to sit quietly, breathe deeply, and focus on the present moment. This practice can help you become more attuned to your inner thoughts and feelings. Remember, self-awareness and self-assessment are ongoing processes. They're not something you do once and then forget about. They require consistent effort and attention. But the rewards are well worth it. As you understand yourself more deeply, you'll be able to tap into your true potential and create a life that aligns with your authentic self. Now that you have a clearer understanding of yourself, it's time to set goals. Goals are the compass that guide us towards our potential. Imagine you're embarking on a journey. You wouldn't set off without knowing your destination, would you? That's what goals are, your destination. They provide a sense of direction and purpose, and they help us make informed decisions along the way. But not all goals are created equal. To unlock your full potential, your goals need to be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying, I want to read more, a SMART goal would be, I want to read 1 book per month for the next 6 months. This goal is specific. Reading books, measurable, 1 book per month, achievable. Assuming you have enough time to read, relevant. If reading is important to you and time-bound, for the next 6 months. Remember, setting goals is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process of refinement and adjustment. With goals set, it's time to work on developing your skills. Skill development is the fuel that propels us towards our potential. Let's take a moment to reflect on that. Our abilities aren't static, they're dynamic, evolving with every new experience, every challenge we conquer. It's this constant growth that unlocks the door to our full potential. Now you might be wondering, how do I keep growing? The answer is simple: never stop learning. Throw yourself into the ocean of knowledge that surrounds us. Books, online courses, workshops, they're all tools at your disposal, waiting to be used. Remember, knowledge is not limited to your field of work or study. The most innovative minds draw connections between diverse disciplines. So, broaden your horizons. Learn about art, science, history, technology, philosophy. And as you journey through this landscape of learning, don't forget to practice. Skills are like muscles. They need to be exercised to grow stronger. Remember, your mindset and attitude play a vital role in this journey. So embrace every opportunity to learn and grow. Your potential awaits. Your mindset and attitude shape your journey towards achieving your potential. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a proven fact. Picture your mindset as a compass, guiding you through the wilderness of life's challenges. A positive attitude, coupled with a growth mindset, can turn even the most daunting of obstacles into opportunities for growth and learning. Now let's talk a bit about the concept of growth and fixed mindsets. A fixed mindset is like a closed door. It believes that abilities and talents are fixed traits, and there's no room for improvement. On the other hand, a growth mindset is like an open window. It sees abilities as muscles that can be trained and improved with effort, patience, and persistence. So, do you want to be a closed door or an open window? The answer seems clear, doesn't it? Embrace a growth mindset, and you're already one step closer to unlocking your full potential. But remember, a healthy body and mind are the foundation of this journey. A healthy body and mind are the pillars supporting your journey towards your potential. This is not just a saying, but a fundamental principle. The quest to unlock your full potential is not merely an intellectual endeavor, it's a holistic one. Your physical health plays a significant role. It's the vessel that carries you through your journey. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate rest are essential. Think of it like maintaining a car. You wouldn't expect a vehicle to perform optimally without regular servicing, right? The same applies to your body. Mental health, on the other hand, is your navigation system. It keeps you on track, helps you manage stress, and makes sure you're emotionally equipped to handle the ups and downs of your journey. Meditation, mindfulness, and maintaining a positive attitude can be your tools for mental wellness. Balancing different aspects of your life is also crucial. All work and no play, remember, can dull even the sharpest minds. Lastly, always remember to evaluate your progress and make adjustments. Progress evaluation and adjustments are the tools that shape your path towards your potential. That's right, folks. It's all about keeping tabs on your progress and making tweaks as necessary. Think of it like a journey. You've got a destination in mind, right? But along the way, you might encounter detours, roadblocks, or even discover a scenic route you hadn't considered before. So you adjust your course accordingly. That's exactly how progress evaluation and adjustments work in your journey to unlock your full potential. Regular check-ins with yourself are essential. They help you see how far you've come and what needs to be done differently. Use a journal, use an app, or simply take quiet moments to reflect. It's all about staying aware and ready to pivot when needed. Also, never shy away from feedback. It's like a compass, guiding you towards improvement. Remember, it's not about the speed, but the direction. Now, you are equipped with the tools and knowledge to unlock your full potential. You now hold the keys to unlock your full potential. We've journeyed through the importance of self-awareness and self-assessment, understanding how they serve as the foundation for personal growth. We've delved into the art of setting clear, measurable goals, using the SMART method as our guide. We've underscored the necessity for continuous skill development, fostering a mindset of lifelong learning. We've highlighted the significance of a positive attitude and a growth mindset in overcoming obstacles. We've stressed the role of physical and mental health, along with a balanced lifestyle in achieving peak performance. And finally, we've emphasized the importance of regular progress evaluation and adjustments. These are the steps that can lead you towards your maximum potential. The journey may be challenging, but remember, the reward is worth the effort. So, what are you waiting for? Set your first goal and embark on your journey towards your full potential today. As you prepare to embark on your journey, remember to support us so we can continue providing you with these insights. If you found this video helpful and want more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to like this video. Your support allows us to keep creating content that aids you in unlocking your potential. So let's grow together. Click on subscribe and like, and let's journey towards success together.